action.
I'm not green. I can't be choosing everybody. None come be choosing me. Me will get ball. I agree to bros. Let me touch that guy. So
OG, calm down.
Recognize that guy with the wear bros. I agree to you, bros. Touch down with the wear mate. Let me touch down with the wear singlet. I agree to you, bros. My own ball. You don't even gonna choose them. You could even choose this BF before me for ball.
OG, leave that BF.
Leave
one. I go choose you.
You choose me.
Yes, now.
You put me for the BF side.
Yes, correct guy. 100.
No,
give me ball now. Give me ball. Yes, now.
Where could I come?
Now my guy, leave one. Give me ball.
Sit.
OG.
I feel like playing ball at home. I want to go play ball for us. My backyard.
Now how's they play ball?
I want to go play for us. No.
With your coat. Now coat is they play ball. Give me that ball. I said,
leave the sea for me.
I said, give me that ball.
I'll run. I'll move.
If you crocodile,
I'll move.
I cannot believe my eyes.
Babe, is it because I'm just waking up? I cannot see our TV.
Oh shit, not good.
There's no TV. Babe, where's my TV?
Babe, don't you know Luke?
Look. Now look, take my TV.
No, now. See, Luke chapter 6 verse 38. It says, give and it shall be given unto you.
Oh.
Yes, so I donated it to the house fellowship.
You donate 500 TV to house fellowship. So what would I not be watching?
Babe, we are Christians. We can be seeing visions.
I don't die.
You don't want?
Share vision they show in their film. Will be mumu.
Babe, don't you remember Matthew?
I said God Almighty, God will punish Matthew. Move it.
Babe,
Let's go to our fellowship. I will bite you. Move it.
Move it now.
Move it. My TV. Give waiting.
Young man, who are you?
I'm the new usher, sir.
Okay. I ban a cast demon in you!
What be this? What be this?
Don't tell me it's what I'm thinking.
Don't tell.
I told you, I'ma fuck you up.
I'm the one that's gonna fuck you up.
You break my TV.
I won't leave his body.
Now even London demon. See the way. I found 500k for my TV.
It's not me, it's the demon.
Oh, so now demon go buy my TV.
Exactly.
Pastor, which demon possess this bastard?
Demon of anger.
Demon of anger. Where you say they go? You break my TV.
See, if you don't leave me now, I will possess you.
You won't possess me. See this baby demon. If I slap you now, you don't even be demon.
Boss, I beg, no verse. Now, last night I joined demon, I beg.
You just join demon, you don't break my TV.
No.
Come here. Cash or transfer?
Shanky mark by me now.
Oh, there.
My life, chaka chaka. My life, ururu. I did that.
Topless. Chief, how far now? Where's us, sir? Where's Chief? That your money, ba? Yes. 500k. Yes. See, I see the laugh. Oh God, man. I get on. Come on, like I forget on for us. I for say you follow me, but be like say they do something.
Nah, Rain, just spoil that place for my house. I want just pass out.
I see. I say they busy. How far? I see your babe. Tell your babe make she follow me now.
This man. I feel come for evening.
Not be 500k. I dey busy now. I dey travel tomorrow morning. Even this night, sef, I dey come out.
Oh, okay. Babe, come follow Chief. Go collect the money for us.
Like this. Put on something more appropriate now, I beg.
Yeah, go change.
Go.
God bless you. If you give me that 500k, I go use and do that.
What's happening?
Where you go?
Who go collect the money?
Why you dress like this?
What's it done?
Why you wear shoe? Why you carry bag?
Let's have it.
How can I go put the money? Put the money inside now.
What she wear dey okay now?
Yes,
Makes sense. More for this self, I go add 200k to your 500k.
Jesus.
Thank you very much, sir. Yeah, go meet Chief.
Ìyá ti fẹ́ fọ́ orí ẹni bọ́ọ̀dù. Ẹ̀rọ tí a bá ti dá ọ̀la ìwé ti ṣáájú.
How
fun, I talk less.
My guy outside now.
I do, Jerry. What's happened?
You don't be believe who. Since yesterday, I never see my girlfriend.
Jesus. Girlfriend.
Ajay.
What's happened? No fight.
I say make you follow chief go and go collect money. I don't see chief. I don't see him. That number I know they go like this.
Who's it? Talk less.
Yes, sir.
Your wife, she's still asleep.
No, now the money I don't collect.
Okay. The money, yeah. Come on, $1 in this pocket.
Ajay, I go change them.
Oh yeah, now, no issue. Oh yeah, now, have it.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Hey, sir. I let me give her this bag.
Oh, a bag.
Then I say forget that from my side.
How far now, my bro?
Oh my guy.
I bet me transfer 2K. My bank get network issues.
Alright. Make a transfer 2K for bank we get network issues. How you want to spend them?
Oh yeah, you don't catch me.
Make me some.
Don't want?
3.5.
Akito, bros.
You said na 3.5 million you take buy this car.
Let me touch that guy so. No, you know side effect good. Yes, that one bag and not. I greet you, bros.
OG, what did they? How you go tell me say use 3.5
Not just
million buy
BT,
this
just
car
need now.
Which one
This guy
be
just
BT
need
again now?
normal brief touches now. In and out.
In and out, now be brief touch.
You don't really need
Wait, ma, wetin be this motor name?
actually the whip.
The waiting.
Actually the whip.
This guy, they'll whip you just now.
He never really reached like this now. Why they you know see you see what I do make
Alpha crocodile,
what
alpha
you put the boys I go move I
See,
meow.
I say, Oda man.
Yeah, I'm not doing it again. Is it my fault? I already told you I gave you one chance. Respect me, I forgive you. There's everything I forgive you. I'm trying to explain. Bro, you said calm down now. This guy be trying to beg you, sister. Forgive her now.
So now to beg person. See, I know like the person they waste time. Tell her make it they go.
Okay, calm down. They carry arrange relationship. They scatter them. What's your problem now?
What do you know about relationships? On matters of the heart.
What do you know about relationship? See, this guy is insulting me. What do you mean by that? This guy cooks for us morning, afternoon, night, daily, bro. What do you mean by that?
Now food is not culture.
Yes.
More to love than food.
She's going.
So everybody goes to church.
I feel like that, so you are.
Silence my cause. My lord, I believe I have given enough evidence with excess proof of facts, quality and persuasive enough to discharge her.
My lord, my prosecution here is very wrong. My defendant here has apologized. My lord, do you know what it means for a Jersey body to apologize? We all, as a court, should forgive and forget.
Forgive? Yes. My lord, according to my record, it states here that you called her exactly 7 a.m.
Okay.
And she proceeded to reply by 7:02.
Objection, my lord, it's just 2 minutes.
2 minutes?
Yes.
My lord, 7:02 p.m. 12 hours, 2 minutes. My lord, a lot can happen in 12 hours.
My lord, a lot can happen in 12 hours.
Wait a minute.
My lord, but she's our wife. Okay. My lord, do you know the meaning of that title, our wife? This lady here has gone above and beyond to act as a wife. We all as a court.
Pardon what? Sir, according to my records, it is proven here that she has stolen over 500 polos and 15 goodies.
You are a criminal.
My lord, I beg the court to see beyond the obvious. This lady here has something impeccable.
Okay.
My lord, she has nyash. My lord, you and I know the meaning of nyash.
You are a prostitute.
We are men. Know what nyash has done for us. You know.
Okay.
My lord, evidence reaching me now that she's hiding a secret not just from you, but from this honorable court. My lord, she has a male bestie. It's true? You think it's a joke? So you mean you took the stand? You took an oath. You swore to tell the truth, but nothing but the truth. And you lied to me. I hereby sentence you to immediate breakfast, no possibility for lunch or dinner. Okay. Take it away.
One, which I want to care. I'm going to go now. Yes, it's on. Ow. Hey! Yeah! Ready?
Oh, baby.
Hey!
Dog.
Thank you, Jesus. First time I go carry better again. Thank you, Jesus.
Who plays?
You're so nice.
Yeah, I get that a lot. I get that a lot. Yeah. So you're going to this front, are you?
Yes, I am.
Let's go.
Thank
Let
you.
me play music. What's your favorite song?
Oh, Jogodo.
What?
No, I say, what's your favorite song?
Yes, now, Jogodo. You don't know the song?
I know Jogodo.
Let me sing it for you.
Mama.
This is
want to joke. What's your favorite song?
Yes, now.
Wow, that's great. So can I know more of you? What's your favorite food?
Beans and bread and horrible.
Jesus. Your favorite food is beans and bread and all.
Yes.
What's your hobby?
I like to watch masquerade.
Go down.
You not carry me.
No, don't worry. Go down.
What's your problem?
Now toast, I want toast you, but now you bless say you go. You be senior man and I be senior man.
You know you're very, very stupid.
I know. So if I carry what you want to discuss, person will like your hobby is to go and watch masquerade. Your favorite food is bread and beans and rubber. What you want to discuss against senior man? Everywhere good. We're supposed to talk about updates. Do you know about 1xbet?
No one is bad. They bet now.
Oh, you like to bet?
Yeah.
Emma Kukuma give you update. 1xbet they give 1000% bonus on your winnings and 300% bonus on your first deposit if you use the promo code JOTAS. Are you aware? Now update I just give you now. Ayana bros, everywhere good now. Ayana, collect us. Everywhere good now. Ayana, senior man. Everywhere good now. Let us help us want to go to CJ.